Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Biz Tech Updates, where we leap into the future of technology and business. Today we've got a sizzling topic on our hands: AI's bold march into the workforce, transforming and taking jobs. Ready to explore how AI is reshaping our professional landscape? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay ahead of the curve on all things tech. Around the world, companies are embracing AI for tasks that were traditionally human turf. And the results? They're eye-opening. Let's zoom in on Klarna, a titan in global payments and shopping. Their AI assistant, powered by OpenAI, is now doing the work of 700 call center agents. Imagine that! Klarna's AI boasts customer satisfaction scores on par with humans, slashes repeat inquiries by 25%, and has cut down resolve times from 11 to just 2 minutes. Plus, it's on call 24/7 in 35 languages. Customers are loving the convenience, but it's a big shift for the workforce. Over in finance, JP Morgan's AI-aided cash flow model is a game changer for corporate clients, slashing manual workload by up to 90%. And Duolingo? They're betting big on AI for content translation, trimming their contractor workforce. The spectrum of AI applications is vast and varied, and will only continue to grow. So, which roles are feeling the heat from AI? From call centers to data processing, and even some administrative and technical support roles are ripe for an AI takeover. And let's not overlook manufacturing and warehousing, where robotics and AI are starting to make their mark, technology limitations notwithstanding. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The AI wave is poised to redefine countless jobs in the years to come. Which roles do you think are next on the AI list? And which ones do you believe are safe? Drop your thoughts, predictions, and any burning questions in the comments below. Let's get the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in to Biz Tech Updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy, my friends.